Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So starting off, we will need to pop off the cover of the device. So I'm going to just take this off. And from here, you can get your SIM ejector. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can use that, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have it, what you want to do is pop out the tray, which will be located on the upper left side of the device, right over here. And when you take it out, you'll have space for SIM card and SD card, or two different SIM cards. Now, if you're planning to use two different SIM cards, you'll place one on the tray for the SD card as so. But if you're planning to use one of each, you will just simply place one over here and then the SD card in here. That's it. And from there, simply slide it back into the device. There we go. And once we turn it on, you can see it pops up with the pin for the SIM card. So I'm going to confirm it, and obviously SIM card is working, and then SD card is working as well. And that is how you would insert both the SIM card and SD card into this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.